I'm not sure what draws me to places like this, but we were driving by, and therefore I must stop. Let's see if we can cross the electric fence without getting shocked and see what we can. A little bit here. I'm shaking because it's like 10 or 11 degrees out. Now when I step into this room, I see paneling and also some carpet. So, you know, probably 1970 something was possibly the last time someone lived here. And this is kind of an interesting closet with a panel over an original window. So that's kind of interesting. And then this is a backyard. And I'll go out there and we'll see what we can find. Okay, so we come around the outside of the house. And that was probably a storm shelter, or at least access to possibly a basement or a crawl space. Maybe that will tell us. a basement, I think. Whew, so cold out today, but the sun is shining, and it just seemed like the right day to get out of the house. Looks like we had a back porch here at one point. Chicken coop, probably. You know, if money wasn't a problem and people would sell any place like this, I'd probably buy it. Just, you know, to try and fix it up. Some old bottles. I'm not going to be able to be out here very long. Very, very frigid weather. Have to cut this one short. Maybe I can visit again during the summer, or at least when it's a little bit warmer. Barn. Oh, well, that allowed me to get out of the wind a little bit. Still shaking like a leaf. Lots of trees. Okay, so I'm gonna walk over here real quick, because once I get out in the wind, it's almost, I mean, it's even just a breeze. It's not a wind, but it's still flipping cold. Little storage greenery type thing. I always expect something to run out of these when I'm doing this. Oh, need some shopping carts? its chicken coop on the way out. Oh boy, I need some gloves. Lots of firewood. Okay. I call this place done.